Heating or cooling cycles that keep turning on and off too fast can seriously mess with your HVAC system and your comfort. So, if your heating or cooling cycles are way too short, it's probably because the thermostat is set to a super tight range or the system is oversized for your space. You want to check that your thermostat is placed somewhere that actually reflects the room temperature, not too close to a window or a vent. Also, dirty air filters can make your system work harder and turn on and off more often, so swap those out regularly. Sealing leaks in your ductwork helps keep the air flowing smoothly without causing your system to freak out. Programmable thermostats are a great way to keep things steady without wasting energy. If your system's oversized, it'll heat or cool the place too fast and shut off prematurely, so getting the right size unit is key. Keep an eye on your outdoor unit too, because if it's clogged with leaves or dirt, that can mess with how well it runs. Lastly, regular maintenance checks by a pro can catch these issues before they turn into big problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC systems is ignoring short cycling, which puts a lot of strain on the compressor and other parts, leading to expensive repairs. Another common problem is using an old or faulty thermostat that can't regulate temperature properly, so upgrading to a smart or programmable thermostat can fix that. Lastly, neglecting duct leaks or dirty filters can cause uneven heating or cooling and force your system to work overtime. Fixing these involves calling a professional for a proper system size assessment, upgrading your thermostat, and keeping up with regular filter changes and duct sealing. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't rip you off. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work by connecting with people who actually need home improvement help.